DELMIA's 3D Experience Manufacturing provides digital continuity. It connects innovation with product delivery and all users, devices, and data across the value chain. It enables users with data-driven applications and insightful data through personalized digital industrial experiences. It empowers users with model-based decision support across the virtual and real world, and it provides the confidence to make decisions while understanding the impacts to the business. With digital continuity, we create the opportunity to change the way you manufacture and serve your customers. We call this 3D Experience Manufacturing. Going around the compass, it starts at the top. Collaborative management processes for all stakeholders to share a common understanding and be aware through digital continuity and be connected to have visibility into, control over, and synchronization across their operations. By providing a holistic and enriched solution with a model-based, data-driven digital user experience, each domain across the value chain, engineering and manufacturing, is empowered to drive agility and speed. Starting with engineering, we not only have the world's best product engineering capabilities, but also we have world-class industrial engineering solutions for all industrial processes, eliminating time and waste. With digital continuity to operations, we have the world's leading solution for global, multi-site manufacturers who need their physical industrial operations managed with synchronization, efficiency, and global best practices. Finally, we offer best-in-class optimization for supply chain planning, dynamic scheduling, and predictive analytics to optimize those decisions. Digital manufacturing is part of engineering in 3D Experience Manufacturing. It includes process planning, assembly and ergonomics simulation, as well as machine and robot programming. All solutions are based on a single 3D data model across engineering and manufacturing. Digital manufacturing allows manufacturing engineers to author and simulate executable process plans, ensuring manufacturability before the start of production. This solution set helps reduce new product introduction lead time, improve first-time quality, and increase manufacturing engineering efficiency. This short video provides an overview of digital manufacturing capabilities enabling digital continuity. Digital continuity starts with virtual product design and continues through the production line. Digital manufacturing bridges the gap between design and production by providing the tools to answer the key questions facing a manufacturing engineer. The manufactured item structure describes what to produce and delivers the manufacturing bill of materials. The process plan describes how to produce all product variants with a detailed sequence of operations. The digital model of the factory and assembly line define where to produce. In this factory layout context, the process plan is validated with 3D analysis and simulation. By providing a holistic and enriched solution with a model-based, data-driven digital user experience, each domain across the value chain, engineering, and manufacturing is empowered to drive agility and speed. Starting with engineering, we extend our world-class product engineering to world-class industrial engineering solutions for all industrial processes. This is called digital manufacturing. Digital manufacturing covers 4 functional domains: process planning, fabrication, ergonomics, and robotics within the digital continuity paradigm. Starting with process planning, visual work instructions describe the product buildup with detailed assembly steps. Industry standard analysis methods provide accurate time calculation for manual operations. Line balancing maximizes resource utilization and optimizes the cycle time. Assembly simulation detects potential clashes and ensures manufacturability. In fabrication, NC machine programming and simulation is used to create molds and elementary parts. Additive manufacturing is also used to create parts with industrial-strength 3D printers. Ergonomics analysis secures safe and healthy workplaces. Robot programming and simulation validates automatic operations on the assembly line. Digital manufacturing delivers the MBOM, routings, work instructions, and machine programs ensuring digital continuity to the production line. All design changes are detected and propagated downstream with digital continuity. Dassault Systemes' DELMIA brand helps global businesses reimagine their engineering, operations, and planning for manufacturing excellence. DELMIA Digital Manufacturing is a key component of the overall DELMIA manufacturing solution, delivering digital continuity through a collaborative platform for global industrial operations. By creating connectivity from the physical world of edge computing to big data analytics, with bringing together the virtual and real-world model, so that you have consistency between what's happening and what's possible to reimagine your business across all time horizons, from long-term planning to real-time execution, to ensure the right decision can be made at the right time, to empower the user experience with comprehensive decision support and confidence to move with agility and speed.